This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the no command screen on your Android phone if you're trying to do factory reset or something like that. So I'm just going to enter the recovery mode on my Google Pixel. All I have to do is hold down power button, volume up, and then switch to volume down. So let's hold these two buttons down now, and this should force restart my phone. So after about 5 to 10 seconds this should restart. And then I can go to power button, volume down, and then release and just hold down volume down. Now this is going to bring me to the recovery screen where I can, pick and select the different options. And then I want to go to recovery. And this is where most people are dealing with the no command. All you have to do is hold down power and then tap volume up. So I'll show you here now. So let's go on over to recovery. Okay. Now once I get here, hold down power, tap volume up. Hold down power, tap volume up. And boom, we have this screen. Now we can go on down to the option we want, maybe wipe data factory reset. And then we should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.